Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S26, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention you can do this, I believe, still to get rid of a screen lock, but we'll see in a second. But if you have a Samsung account, Google account, I know that Samsung is already blocking some portions of it, as the way you would typically access recovery mode using a cable is by forcibly rebooting the devices. You can't really turn it off if you can't provide, just to show you, if you can't provide the screen lock. So instead you hold power button, volume down. When it turns off, you hold volume up and power button. So in any case, I'm going to grab the cable and we're going to see. Obviously, this will remove all your data from the device, so any photos, videos, all that stuff, gone. So be aware of that before you go any further. Now we'll see if you can get rid of a screen lock. So I'm going to plug it in right away. And we're going to start off, I'm going to interact with the display, just kind of caress it so the screen doesn't time out when I'm holding power button, volume down. So I'm going to hold power button, volume down, continue holding it. It's going to turn off in a moment. Volume up, and let go of the power button when you see Galaxy. And yep, we are in recovery mode, so we successfully booted in here. I'm going to unplug it, as the cable is only needed to get us into this mode. So in here, using volume buttons, you want to navigate and select the second option. Now you might be looking at this and thinking that doesn't really look like a recovery mode. There's only 3 options, and you'd be right. Samsung, like I said, nuked recovery mode out of existence, and also the ability for you to get rid of One UI if you ever wanted to, because a computer is only a computer from Samsung if it runs Samsung software. Anyway, we're going to select the second option, confirm it, and select factory data reset. Now, I don't know if I mentioned, you navigate using volume buttons as you see me do, and power button is used to confirm whatever is selected. Now once you have formatted your data, which you should see this message at the very bottom, data wipe complete. Reboot system now would be selected by default, so press power button to basically reboot that device, and this will continue resetting in the background, which will take about a minute to finish up, and when it's completed, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.